If you are facing issues with the Xender app not working, then here are some steps you can follow to resolve this problem. So let's get started. Firstly, check the internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable because Xender requires a strong Wi-Fi or data connection for transferring files. After you have done so, also check for the Xender server status. Sometimes the issue might be related to the app servers being down, so check online for any reports of outages. Then simply go to the App Store in iOS and Google Play Store in Android and check if there is an update available for Xender. An outdated version might be causing this issue. Now after you have done so, simply go back to the home screen and try restarting your iPhone. Because sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary issues within apps. After you restart, simply long press on the Xender and tap on the remove app option available there and reinstall it. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.